Hello everyone, it's Chris here from C&M Reptiles. Today I want to talk to you about ball pythons and how large can they get. So this female of mine is about 1.2 meters. I've seen animals that grew to 1.5 meters. I need you to keep that in mind, because normally people buy these snakes when they are cute and colorful, and then as soon as they get to larger sizes, everything changes. So their requirement, their diet changes. It's larger animals that you have to feed. You have to have a larger enclosure. So if you're going to buy an animal and keep it, you must make sure that you plan for the future. They are very curious animals, so what we normally do is we change their enclosure up, and animals like these cannot live properly in a simple rack system or in a smaller enclosure. They must be able to extend the full length of their body in their enclosure at least. And then, like I said, I take them out sometimes and I let them roam a bit on the grass. It helps. But I hope this helps you when selecting a ball python to realize that they do get quite big and your requirement will have to change as they grow. Yes, I hope this helps. Like and subscribe.